All right. The next item for export is video subtitle. What is a video subtitle? Video subtitle is a layout that you can overlay on your video. So when you play the recorded video outside of the ASIO Explore, you can display extra information on the screen, for instance, for copyright, date, address of the inspection, etc. So to create the video subtitle, I go to Project, Video Subtitle Editing. Here I have a help menu that display me a list of tags that I can basically overlay on the screen, like project name, company name, customer address, reporter, date, and POIs. I press F1 to toggle this help. So basically the screen has been divided into a grid of 3 by 3. So you have 9 zones to place the information on the screen. For instance, you can put the company name on the top left, reporter, you can adjust the size, the font size, you can put it at 24 or 32, for instance, 48. Then you can put the company name, project name, date, and POI tags. Here you have timing for the tags. For instance, you can specify for how long each one should be displayed. You could put the time in seconds. You could put the entire video. For instance, for copyright, you want to put it for entire video, or automatic. Automatic only applies to certain tags, for instance, for distance from home or distance from home flat, because the information should be updated accordingly when the drone is flying over the scene. Here is also a very important checkbox. You could basically export a plain TXT file from this template that you can overlay on the video, or you could actually embed this information into a separate video, so you can just play it on any player, and this information will be forever as a part of that video, so you don't need to have any separate file. Okay, after you were happy with your settings, you click on the Save, and then you go to Project, Export, Video Subtitle. Here, basically, you choose your destination, click on the Select Folder, and it will be export the video. Since I clicked on the checkbox, here I have to wait until the new video will be created from my original video, which has an overlay of the subtitles. All right, the export is over. Here you have your video with embedded subtitles, which are overlaid in the frames. And here you have a TXT file that contains the subtitle information. In the case you don't want to use this file and you want to keep your original file, you can use this file alongside your main video, and your player will rate this file alongside your video stream and overlay it. But in the case you want to have your TXT information permanently in your video, you will have this video file. I open it, and as you can see, you have the company name, project name, date, etc., the video itself. And as we move forward, you can see distance from home, tags with the situation, it requires maintenance, or it's something serious or not, this is fine. And as you can see, the distance is getting updated according to the position of a drone during the flight. And basically, this is a permanent text on the video.